The import tools, whether it's the import text styles, import layers, import blocks, import line types, import dim styles, and import views, they all work very similarly. What they do is they grab all of those objects, whether it's a layer or textile or block. It will bring them in from a source drawing, the drawing that you have selected, and will bring all of them into the drawing that is current. If there's existing objects there, dimension styles, layers, that have the same name, bringing those in from another drawing overwrites those existing ones and will reset the properties of the layer, the definition of the block, the definition of the line type, set the text style, all of those different things based upon whatever's in that source drawing. So it's an all or nothing and overwrite scenario. And the reason these tools were built was really for CAD management. A CAD manager now can set up a very simple Lisp routine or even a script and import, and every single time you open up a new drawing, have all of the layers, the blocks, the textiles, and the like set up ready to go from the parent, from the template. So no matter what drawing you open up, they always have the latest layers, the latest blocks, the latest textiles, if the CAD manager so desired. So all of these tools, the textiles, layers, blocks, line types, and dim styles, actually have a counterpart command where if you type in the hyphen beforehand, you have a command line driven version of those commands. And it works very similar to other commands that you would do if you were in Lisp. It would not show up the dialog. It will prompt you along the command line, allowing you, again, to automate the process of bringing those items in. So these are really built with the intent for CAD management, but of course they can be used by anyone. So in this exercise, we have two files open, a base import file, no layers. Our text styles are just plain standard and annotative. Same thing with our dimension styles, multi-leader styles, table styles, and the like. So if I go and look at the import drawing, this is where we're going to grab all of the information from. We have layers, we have annotation, dimension styles, table styles, and the like. Plenty of line types as well. So let's go back to the base import. We're going to come to IMAutoCAD, and I'm going to go ahead and choose to import layers. And we're going to go to that drawing, the import drawing. And notice that it immediately imported 195 layers from that drawing. And so you see all of these layers already there. It does the same again for the blocks, for the text styles, line types, dimension styles. And keep in mind, it's an all or nothing. You get all of the objects, and it is an overwrite. And it's built with that as a design feature, that in mind.